Hello YouTube subscribers and YouTube viewers, welcome to Manyaman Recipes by Jen. Today I will show you how to make baby shrimp fritters. These are very delicious and very easy to make. First, you will need 500 grams baby shrimp, 200 grams chopped carrots, 300 grams chopped jicama or cincamas, 3/4 cup chopped green onions, 2 cups cornstarch, 2 to 3 teaspoons salt, 2 teaspoons ground black pepper, 2 eggs, 1 sachet Magic Sarap or seasoning granules, and 1 1/4 cups ice cold water. First, rinse the baby shrimp. Then, peel the jicama or cincamas. Cut it in small pieces. They don't have to be uniform in size. Peel the carrots and then cut them in pieces. Chop the green onions and then chop the jicama. You can use a knife to chop these if an electric chopper is not readily available. Chop the carrots. Again, you can use a knife to chop these if an electric chopper is not readily available. In a large bowl, combine cornstarch, salt, ground black pepper, seasoning granules, eggs, and ice cold water. Mix until well blended. Add the baby shrimp. And then mix well. Add the chopped jicama. And then mix well again. Add the chopped carrots. And then mix well. Add the chopped green onions and then mix well again. And then scoop about 2 tablespoons of the mixture and fry it in hot oil until golden brown. Prepare the dipping sauce while frying the fritters. Combine chopped red onions, vinegar, ground black pepper, soy sauce, and sugar. You can use spicy vinegar or add chopped Thai chilies if you prefer. And then mix well. Continue frying the rest of the fritters. Enjoy! Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I would love to hear from you.